pressured, sacked, but it came down to the game-winning drive. He got it done. The throw to Stephon Diggs to start that drive off was just, it was insane. Let's go over this last drive real quick. The Detroit defense was doing everything. He looks it off and then just throws it right down the middle. Yeah, great power throw for him, and then they just keep it in the hands of their best player. Two runs by Josh Allen, and I'm worried about his knee there, and then Tyler Bass sneaks it inside the left upright, but Josh Allen, like I said, played tough. You know his arm's not 100%, and they found a way to get the game-winning field goal for him. 253 yards, 78 yards rushing, and look what Stephon Diggs did off those slow start, but 8 receptions, 77 yards, and a touchdown. Those two, they're joined at the hip, and they're winning games.
It was the second half. Steph Diggs in the second half, 6 catches of those 8 catches.
This is new.
Yards and a touchdown in the legs of Josh Allen and Ed Oliver. You don't have Von Miller, you don't have Greg Rousseau. He was a factor in the middle of that defense.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Listen, I know there isn't any moral victories in football, but shout out to Detroit. One hell of a game. I'm proud of that squad. But speaking of one hell of a game, Stephon Diggs, when it's time for somebody to make a play and step up, he's one of the best route runners in the business. He catches with his hands, but when he's in traffic, he does a great job of catching with his body. I have to put something simple on there. Big-time players make big-time plays in big-time games, and that's Stephon Diggs.
Hey, it may sound basic, but you said his work ethic in the offseason is big.
He works harder than anybody. He's the closest thing I've seen to Jerry Rice in this new era of wide
Well, the great thing is you see the connection between he and Josh Allen. You just spoke about that with Tracy. You know, the thing from the Detroit Lions perspective, they're close. I mean, you know, Jared Goff's a really good quarterback. He played well today. He missed G.J. Chark on that final throw. He had a chance to have a touchdown.
I never knew Don fans' new form would look like this.
They missed a field goal. I mean, this just happens to be a losing team, a losing franchise that is starting to come around. I think they're starting to buy into their coach. We all like the coach. We all think that he's made them tougher. There is no question. They're a much tougher football team today than they were when they first started this season.
And what's this? His name has been upgraded.
Hello. Hi Nick, how you doing?
They upgraded his name to Iron Treads.
You having any
That's a new one.
Nick?
Detroit does it all on offense. I'll give Ben Johnson all the credit. They have 2 guards out. They kept extra guys in for protection. The play action pass was great.
What? This is what we're drawing tonight. We're drawing Iron Treads.
Oh, that was nice. That's because they called me about, an hour ago, Chris. Yeah, about an hour ago. Joey called.
This is the first ever mechanical. This is the first. This is the first ever I've never seen before. The first ever mechanical Pokemon that has been released. And by my honest guess, I never would have thought they would transform Donphan's transformation into this. This is possibly one of my. I consider this one to be one of my favorite mechanical Pokemon.
They had stuffing, everything was really, really nice. They did a lot of work. They did a lot of work there, but it was very nice. Now I'm stuffed. I'm watching football and dozing at the same time. Yeah. So, did you eat yet? Or you had your dinner? Okay. All right. How's the baby doing? She all right? Good. All right. Okay, Nick. Thanks for calling. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Okay. Say hello to everybody. All right. And give the baby a kiss for me. All right, Nick. Bye bye.
All right.
Okay. Bye bye.
The upgrades that these mechanical Pokemon offer involve a new.
I think Gina's going at about 4 o'clock.
Series of attacks,
Gina's going to go at about 4.
new way to fight,
Yeah.
and all new abilities to battle. There we are. That's how you draw one of my newly favorite mechanical Pokemon, Iron Treads.